Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, it's almost 9 o'clock, and I'm going outside to eat somewhere. I already had my coffee, but now I'm hungry. I'm lazy to prepare food. Also, I don't have much in here. Look at this. Nothing. I have this garbage. Yeah, there's nothing. And you notice this one? So I basically washed this when I got home yesterday. And then yeah, at around 6 or 7 o'clock when I pick it up, and it's still, some of them are still a little wet, so I put it in here. Like this one, it was, yeah, it was wet last night. This one also was wet, this also is wet, the rest are are good. Yeah, so I'm going to organize that later when I get home. You know, this time I am tempted to buy sunglasses. If you remember, my sunglass was broken already. I have another two, but they are not good. I mean, I don't like them. The place is actually busy at the moment. I've seen the restaurant, they are busy in there. And I am supposed to go to this graffiti and surf design shop. They are selling like water sports activity clothing. Okay, so but still they are closed. Yeah, we wait for a little bit. I saw the lady, they just come out from the shop. So this part is like the center of Nelson Bay. There are banks and real estate companies, yeah, wealth protection, beauty salon, shops, restaurant. And there is actually one cinema in here. It's on the front, but I never experienced to watch movies here. Actually, here in Australia, maybe, yeah, never. In Dubai, I experienced to watch movie maybe once or twice. Not really a big fan of movies. I'm actually tempted to take this one, but it's at $230, expensive. Yeah, I end up buying this $65. Yeah, $65. I tried the two expensive one, the Oakley and the other brand, but it doesn't really look good on me. I don't know, it's very difficult to decide when many choices, and doesn't really good. Look at that, there's one, yeah, two expensive looking bike on top of the car. Nice. Oh, it's $59 actually, $59.99. Because you know, we buy things because of its purpose, like the sunglasses, yeah, to protect the eyes, but we also buy things to enhance our looks. Traffic is building a little bit. Actually, people is stopping on the crossings to wait for the car to go through first. Yeah, if you notice, there's no traffic lights in here. I remember when I went to Cambodia, because I was in Cambodia for around 1 month almost, I think. And yeah, there is, in the city they don't have traffic lights, and people are just giving way to go through, which is nice. Yeah, really unbelievable that, yeah, there was no accident happening, and people are just keep on going, moving their car, giving way. Nice. And this time we're going to try something from here. Nice. So I got this is a spring roll and a meat pie. We're going to eat it in front of the water in the beach. That shop where we went is actually busy. There may be 10 people that went inside while I'm inside. I decided to take this sunglass because it got this weird color, so it's different. Every corner here in the town center, you will see beautiful different flowers. at that, people are waiting on queue. You know, there are many cars on queue, and I waited to have at least one person to go through, to cross the this for me to go through too. Yeah, so that I don't waste their time to drama. Okay, let's go. Oh, this one is a good spot to sit. We'll be sitting here, but it's still wet. Yeah, these guys, they're going to do some kind of paddle boarding. Oh, today is a Friday, and tomorrow is going to be busy, this place. This time it's already I'm seeing heaps of people, and we eat this here. This orange juice, you know, the Italian, they drink orange juice every morning. I mean, orange juice is a big part of their breakfast. And coffee, of course. This spring roll, Vietnamese spring roll. The lady said it has a chicken inside. I still prefer the Filipino spring roll. We call lumpia, but this one is good too. This is a 100% natural orange juice, no added sugar and no artificial coloring. And now we have the meat pie. This all total is $14. It's big and it's heavy, it's loaded. You know, sometimes I'm already full with the food that I eat, like this, or spring roll, or burger, or sandwich, or salad, but still I am looking for rice. I'm feeling full, but still my mind is still thinking about rice, and it feels like I really needed to eat rice. Okay, that's it, we go. Actually, I decided to sit here first, and I feel that the temperature is just right. Yeah, I know I am wearing windbreaker, but yeah, I think the temperature is just right. If you are in the shaded area, feels like it's good to edit some video while sitting in one of the benches in here, because you know, sometimes the wind, the air is harsh. Yeah, it's annoying in the skin sometimes. You feel that. A lot of people sunbathing, swimming, relaxing in the beach at the moment. Nice. Good morning. They just made the new bike lane in here. It was not here last time that I went through here. Yeah, because noticeably that this past few months, until these days, there are so many people that are using the bike around here. That's why they created this bike lane. Amazing. And they made the bike lane on this very side of the road, and the cars are parking on there, and then the road and another car park. Nice. There are so much improvements going on here in Nelson Bay, here in Port Stephens. Yeah, really nice. Actually, in the town center, there is some kind of rerouting, because they are putting asphalt and most of the roads in there. I am thinking of buying a cup of coffee, and then stay somewhere here. But I also want to have a coffee when I get home later. I don't know if Little Beach has coffee. I don't know if this restaurant is open already. I'm not sure. Yeah, but this is how it is at the moment. Water is really clear. There are many family in there. They are yeah, relaxing. They even put a tent. Yeah, and also in here there are many people. Okay, we are going home now. And you will also notice this thing. Whoa, notice that clouds? Yeah, they circulate on that area and there's none around it. There is maybe going to have a rain in that side. It looks like a shell. Yeah, nice. Looks different today. Yeah, you see there are many people in there swimming, sunbathing. Really nice. You know, despite of the COVID crisis here in Australia, they are still, you know, starting to decorate this like a big Christmas tree. They are now putting those Christmas lights. And if you go to different establishment, you will also notice that there are some Christmas decorations. Okay, we're going to take this chance. We're going inside to the grocery. My backpack is empty, so we can put something in.